In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to run payroll in QuickBooks Desktop by direct deposit. First, sign in to your QuickBooks account and open the payroll area. If this is your first time setting up payroll, click Get Started. You'll be asked for your business details like your EIN, legal address, and tax information. Enter everything carefully and make sure it matches your registrations with federal and state agencies. Next, begin adding your employees. Include each person's full name, address, their salary or hourly rate, and their tax details from their W-4. While you're here, set up direct deposit so your team can be paid electronically. It's optional, but it saves time and reduces errors. Before moving on, double-check every tax field and company setting to avoid payroll mistakes later. Now let's add employees in more detail. Go to Payroll, then Employees, and choose Add an Employee. Enter the pay rate. Select a pay schedule such as weekly or bi-weekly. Confirm tax withholding details, and add bank information for direct deposit. Make sure the account and routing numbers are accurate, and that you have authorization on file. When everything looks right, click Save. If you're enabling direct deposit for the first time, allow a little lead time for any required verification and be mindful of processing cutoffs before payday. When it's time to run payroll, head to Payroll and choose Run Payroll. Select the correct pay schedule and confirm the pay period and pay date. Enter hours for hourly employees and review salaries for salaried staff. Take a moment to verify wages, taxes, and any deductions such as benefits or garnishments. When you're confident the totals are correct, click Submit Payroll. QuickBooks will automatically calculate federal and state taxes, Social Security, and Medicare, along with other deductions based on the settings you've already entered. A quick tip: use the preview to spot typos or unexpected overtime before submitting. After payroll is processed, go to Taxes, then Payroll Tax to review what's due. If your subscription supports it and you've enabled it, you can use the Pay option for automatic payments. Depending on your plan and enrollment, QuickBooks can also file forms and pay taxes for you. Keep an eye on due dates and confirmations to ensure everything transmits successfully. Finally, generate your payroll reports. Open reports and search for payroll summary, payroll details, and the tax liability report. Download or print them as needed for management, audits, or year-end review. Keeping these reports organized will make reconciliations and filings much easier down the line.